Hello and welcome. I'm Tasha. I'm the owner of the Cajun Girl Patterns. Thank you for downloading my free setup guide. I know that it can be really intimidating learning a new hobby, but I am here to help you. So let's get that sewing machine out of the box. The first thing you want to do is keep all of the small pieces and parts that came with your machine. So like extra feet, screwdriver, needles. You want to put them in a bin or a box with a label. You'll need them later. They're not important now, but you will need them later. The next thing you need to locate is your owner's manual. Do not throw this away. If you have already, it's okay. Just Google your make and model and you should be able to find the information online. But this has a wealth of information for you to use and learn all about your machine. I suggest you read through it before we go on to the next step. The next thing you want to do is remove any plastic from your machine, any clear tape or anything that says remove, just go ahead and take that off. You want your sewing machine to be on a table, nice height, no wobbles, nice and flat. You also need to locate your power cord and your foot pedal. Okay, both of these will plug into the right side of the machine. So let me show you how to do that. So here's the power cord plugged in, and then the foot pedal goes here, sorry. And then the foot pedal will go on the floor. So you just unwind it, and then it goes on the floor. And then you have your sewing machine set up, you're in a nice position, and you're ready to go. Grab a 100% polyester thread, and then we'll move on to the next module.